to the lookbook ship.
I'm Clara.
And I'm Elena. And here is our first outfit, which is a highlighter neutral look with 80s and 90s inspiration. All of it is thrifted except the glow-in-the-dark star belt, which took 2 hours to make. Cause it was very fun though.
Yeah.
And the fanny pack is Clara's. So love to pose.
Yeah, so fun. Wow.
Woo!
Yay. Okay. Hi. So this is a tie-dye dress. Super fun, super cute, super quirky. And then the belt is actually Elena's phone charger with some tinsel. You know, we have fun here. It's great. Yeah. Okay.
Here's the red and blue outfit
that no one likes.
It is a fun velour coat and some heart-shaped sunglasses as well. I'm about to walk in a circle and trip.
Right there.
Womp! Oop, my ankle just said. Anyway, this outfit is okay. Everything is thrifted once again, except the jacket, which is Clara's. I already said that probably.
And the glasses.
And the glasses, yes.
So fun, wow. Okay, hi. So this is actually Elena's dress. These boots that I wear all the time, and then a light up, or just like fairy light belt. Yeah, and then a fun little scrunchie. I don't know, super fun, super cute. Yeah, we have fun. Okay.
Hey! 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 Hey!
We've done that so many times.
We're funny though, we promise.
No, we're not. Yes, no, we're not.
Oh.
Oh, also me, hi. Okay, so that's a thrifted jacket. Super cute, super fun. Skirt, and then on the side, that you probably can't see it, but there's like a safety pin chain. And then Elena made the sweater on top, and then she tie-dyed the shirt underneath. Super fun. Yeah.
And here is my business wear attire. There's a googly eye blazer as well, and a slip whip. And I'm gonna dance out of it because I love to segue. And now I'm gonna show off my shirt underneath, which is just a mesh turtleneck. And I'm gonna do some more dances that your parents probably would do on the roller skating rink in the 80s. And that's the end of the video.
Okay,
outro.
The outro.
Woo.
Yay, outro.
Outro.
Outro time.
Outro.
Hope you liked it, I guess.
Clip clop.
Subscribe.